Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I am flying to Surabaya.
May I see your ticket and your ID, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any baggage to check in?
Yes, I have one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale. Your bag is a little heavy, but it is still okay.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
All right. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is gate 5.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. Please put your bag here.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
No, I do not.
Please take off your jacket and put it in the tray.
All right.
Do you have a laptop or a tablet?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Please take it out.
Okay.
You may go now.
Thank you. Excuse me, is this gate 5 for Surabaya?
Yes, it is.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 10:30.
Okay. Do I need to line up now?
Not yet. Please wait until your group is called.
All right. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a boarding announcement for flight GA 349 to Surabaya. Please board the plane through gate 5.
Passengers to Surabaya, please prepare your boarding pass.
Okay.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A.
Where is seat 12A?
Please go straight and turn right.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.